Welcome to Peterson's online academic skills training, created specifically for DANTES. In this video, we'll cover how to navigate the online platform and how to make the most out of your OASC and CPST training courses. Remember, Peterson's academic skills training courses are free for all active duty military and their families. Once you've navigated to dantes.petersons.com, you'll need to log in or sign up to access your course. If you already have login credentials, enter them here. For those who need to register, the sign-up process is simple. Fill in the required fields on the sign-up form and you'll be on your way. Forgot your password? You can always click the Forgot Your Password link on the login page to reset it. Once you've logged in, you'll begin on your DANTES homepage. Here, you can access either your OASC or CPST courses, as well as a peer-to-peer discussion area. This page also features complimentary ebooks, resources for adult learners and those who wish to advance their military career. When you're ready, click on the course you wish to access. Once in your desired course, you can access course content, organized by module, as well as additional opportunities for practice tests. You can also access any of these modules by using the Content tab. Where's the best place to start? At the beginning, of course. Start with the Introduction module to ensure you know how to use the course to its fullest. In the Content tab, you can launch any module for the first time or pick up where you left off. Modules include extensive multimedia lessons, detailed animations and videos, as well as interactives to engage you with the content you've just learned. Modules also contain corresponding summaries, practice questions, and quizzes. To launch a quiz or a test, simply select it and click the Start Quiz button. All quizzes and tests are multiple choice and fill in the blank. You can scroll through the questions individually or click on the tabs to the left to jump to a specific question. If you need to stop mid-quiz, simply navigate back to that module's quiz and click Continue Quiz. As you complete modules and quizzes, you can view your grades by clicking on the Grades tab. Here, you can see total points and grade percentage. Click on the Class Progress tab for a more in-depth view of your progress. View a breakdown of the cumulative assessments you've taken to date. Scroll down to Content or Quizzes to see specifically how much of the course you have completed and how you've performed thus far. At the bottom of the page, you'll find Course Access and Login History. These sections will show how much time you spent logged in, when your last login was, and your total number of logins. And once you complete your course, you receive a certificate of completion. Now that you know how to get the most out of your online academic skills training course, you're ready to learn. Whether you're working from a computer, tablet, or cell phone, you'll find the content and tools are mobile-friendly and easy to navigate. From all of us at Peterson's, happy learning!